In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom-sized project on Canva. Being able to set your own dimensions is super important, especially when standard templates just don't fit what you need. Whether you're making a unique business card, a banner, or a special social media graphic, having a custom size ensures your design fits perfectly wherever it's displayed. To get started, open Canva in your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Custom Size. Go ahead and click that to start a project that's tailored to your exact specifications. This is the moment where your design journey begins even before you add colors, text, or images. Next, you'll need to pick the unit of measurement you want to work with. Canva gives you several options, including pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. Choosing the right unit really depends on your project. For example, if your design is for print, inches or centimeters usually work best. If it's digital, pixels are often ideal. Take a moment to decide which one makes the most sense for your project. Once you've selected your unit, it's time to set your dimensions. You'll see two fields labeled width and height. Enter the numbers that match the size you want. For instance, if you're creating a small card, you might enter 3 by 3 inches. Accuracy here is key because these numbers determine how your design will fit in real life or on digital platforms. After entering your dimensions, double check them to make sure everything is correct. It's a small step, but it can save you from running into issues later. Once you're confident your numbers are right, click the Create New Design button. Canva will open a fresh canvas perfectly sized to your specifications. From here, you can start adding elements, text, colors, and anything else you want to make your design pop. You now have full control over the size and layout, so feel free to experiment with different dimensions and see how they affect your overall design. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom-sized project on Canva. Remember, precision in your dimensions can make a big difference in how professional and polished your final design looks. Take your time, play around with sizes, and see how they can elevate your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a design tip.